Let's talk about resolutions. I bet you, like everyone else, kicked off the year with some grand plan. New year, new me, right? But here's the kicker. You are 90% likely going to fail on these resolutions. And today, we're going to cover the harsh reality behind those statistics. So stick around. I will show you the 4 main reasons resolutions don't work and how to actually be part of that 10% that actually succeed. Before we dive in, please subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this. Number 1 is not being specific. When you set unclear goals without a plan, you are most likely going to fail. For instance, saying you want to get more money or you want to get fit without any actionable steps will get you absolutely nowhere. Instead, be specific with that goal. For example, if you want to be more fit, say you want to run 3 times a week. Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. If you want to get more money, then say you will start this side hustle, whatever it is that you've been researching about, and you will dedicate 4 hours a week on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday after lunch. This will make your goals crystal clear on what actions you need to take to actually reach that goal. Better yet, put them in your calendar to make it even more realistic. Obviously, since it's something you've never done, it's going to take some time for your brain to get used to doing something absolutely new. So whenever you actually put all the steps and you put it in your calendar, you really visualize it, it just makes it easier for you and your brain to actually take the actions. Number 2, setting up way too many goals. Listen, I certainly am not against someone being ambitious and dreaming big. However, sometimes putting way too many goals can divide your focus and make it tough for you to take action on any single one. Think about it. If your plan is to get rich, get fit, learn French, learn Spanish, go to the gym 5 times a week, read a book every single week, go volunteering, guess what? You're gonna be overwhelmed. Instead, make your goals achievable. And if you have many, you have the whole year to get to those goals. So you can say month 1, I will focus on X goal, and month 2, I will focus on that other goal. Because again, your brain is not used to all of these new things that you're suggesting you will do in 2024. And so if you're just saying you want to become everything all at once, then your brain is going to shut off. Start slowly on the brain and implement a new habit every 30 days or so. Number 3, lack of accountability. Did you know that sharing your goals with someone increases the likelihood of success by 65%? What's even more impressive is having a specific accountability appointment with someone can raise up your chances of success by about 95%. Those are pretty impressive odds. Now, you might tell me, Chloe, I don't have anyone to do these accountability appointments. Well, do it with yourself. Set yourself a weekly appointment with yourself just to see what you did well and what you slacked off a bit. Also, side tip, be mindful of who you spend your time with. Ever heard the saying, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with? Well, it holds a lot of truth, especially for resolutions. If your inner circle isn't aligned with your ambitions or doesn't support your ambitions, then it can be harder to stay on track. Imagine wanting to wake up early every single day, but your friends are the kind of friends that like to go out at night and stay up till very late. Even if you are strong and maybe cut the party short to go and sleep early, you'll still feel that kind of feeling that you might be missing out. However, hanging out with friends that have the same kind of resolution of wanting to wake up early just makes it easier for you. Don't rely on your motivation. Rely on the system to make it easier for yourself. So become closer to people that have the same vision as you. Number 4 is fear. When pursuing something new or setting ambitious resolutions, fear tends to creep in. Obviously, since you're doing something new, you will feel outside of your comfort zone and naturally feel some sort of fear and uncertainty. These feelings will most likely make you doubt your steps and stop you from reaching your goals. But here's the crucial part. Those feelings are completely okay, even expected. They're like road signs confirming that you're on the right path towards growth. Embracing the fear as part of the journey is key. It's understanding that those butterflies in your stomach are completely part of the process. The only way to move forward is to acknowledge that those feelings of fear and discomfort are completely normal. Now that we've covered the 4 main reasons why resolutions fail, I like to do this exercise, which is a 12-week plan. If you get your habit to stick for 12 weeks, then you're most likely going to be able to do it for the rest of the year. So, setting up a weekly plan, being specific, and having a meeting with an accountability partner or with yourself to check in is gold. Because suddenly these goals become way more realistic and just part of a process that you set to yourself. I also have a video coming up about how to make 2024 your best year yet. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, leave me down a comment with your biggest takeaway and I'll catch you all on the next video.